Hello and welcome back. Watch my nails get transformed from this to this in these easy steps. Let's go. So the nail tech started off with cleaning my nails. She did this to get rid of bacteria. Then she went ahead to apply the cuticle softener. I'm sorry I couldn't capture that part, but let's continue. You will enjoy the process regardless. She got rid of the cuticles with the cuticles remover. She filed my natural nails to get them into my desired shape. Then she began to fix the glass nails, artificial glass nails. She did this for both fingers. Using a sharp scissors, she cut the nails to my desired length. I didn't want it to be so long, so she gave me exactly the length I wanted. Then the filing began. She took her time to file every single nail to the desired shape. I wanted it to be very natural, and she did justice to it. She was done at this point, and this is exactly what it looked like. She repeated the same process on the other hand. She was done with both hands, and this is the result. And she took out the acrylic products, the liquid and the powder, and she started off the process immediately. She dips the bristle in the liquid and makes a paste with the powder, and with it she fills the nails. You would notice how carefully she does this part because it is very technical, and if she isn't careful, the nails will be clumped and nobody wants that. The more natural you make the acrylic feeling look, the better. After filling the nails with the acrylic mixture, she started filing them. Filing the nails would leave them a little bit rough, but with the buffer, it will look smoother. So when you apply your polish, it will look very smooth and natural. She applied the acrylic oil. This oil is supposed to keep the nails clean, fresh, and infection free. It is a blend of certain essential oil, the tea tree oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and so on. This part is very vital, so if you're going to be fixing your nails and adding the acrylic mixture, ensure you do it. Then it was time to polish the nails. I requested for a nude color and I got exactly what I asked for. Pay attention to how she took her time to do this. She was done with one hand and had the dryer set up for it while she worked on the second hand. The second hand she worked on went into the dryer and she began recoating the first. She repeated the process on the second hand. The hand went back into the dryer so it would dry properly. She coated the nails with nail hardener. This would make the nails and the polish appear very shiny and natural. Take a look at the shiny effect the nail hardener gives the polish. This is very vital. We've come to the end of the session and this is the result I got. As you can see, it is very natural, very short, and I can work effectively with my fingers this way. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more, drop a comment, and of course share this link. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.